Hey, fellow travelers! If you're like me and love exploring the world without burning a hole in your pocket or harming the planet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 9 eco-friendly travel hacks that will help you save money and the environment. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, travel off-peak. Not only will you dodge the crowds, but you'll also find cheaper flights and accommodation. Plus, off-peak travel means less strain on local resources. Win-win, right? Next up, pack light. Trust me, your back and the planet will thank you. Airlines use more fuel for heavier luggage, so by packing only the essentials, you're reducing your carbon footprint and possibly avoiding those pesky baggage fees. Tip number 3, use public transport. Instead of renting a car or relying on taxis, try buses, trains, or even bikes. It's cheaper and a fantastic way to see the local sights up close. Plus, it's much kinder to Mother Earth. Hack number 4, bring a reusable water bottle. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and hello to big savings. Many airports and cities have refill stations, so you can stay hydrated without constantly buying bottled water. Number 5, choose eco-friendly accommodation. Look for hotels or hostels with green certifications or those that implement sustainable practices. They often offer competitive rates, and you'll be supporting businesses that care about the environment. Tip 6, eat local and seasonal. Not only is it cheaper, but it also reduces your carbon footprint. Local markets are treasure troves of fresh, affordable food. Plus, you'll get to taste the authentic flavors of the region. Hack number 7, go digital. Instead of printing tickets, maps, or itineraries, keep everything on your smartphone. It's more convenient and cuts down on paper waste. Tip 8, support local businesses. Buy souvenirs and dine at local eateries. Your money will go directly to the community, and you'll often find unique, affordable options. It's a great way to immerse yourself in the culture while keeping costs down. And finally, hack number 9, offset your carbon emissions. Some airlines and companies offer carbon offset programs. It's a small cost that can help balance out the environmental impact of your travels. So there you have it, folks. 9 eco-friendly travel hacks to help you save money and protect our beautiful planet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget travel tips. Happy travels, and remember to leave only footprints.